Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the fuse for the rear passenger side window is located, which fuse controls the rear passenger side window on Ford Edge, where you can buy cheap parts, tubes, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, for the rear passenger side window fuse on Ford Edge, where we can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this Ford Edge here. If you own a Ford Edge that generation, there are hidden fuse boxes inside in the engine compartment, multiple places in that Ford Edge that most people do not know they exist. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. For the rear passenger side window fuse on Ford Edge, open the driver door. Then come under the dash on the driver's side. Here guys, that's the footwell compartment, parking brake paddle here, hood open lever, behind it on the left side you have a cover, remove it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, there is practically one fuse, okay, that controls that. We're going to talk about it now. If you want to check all the power windows fuses, including the front power windows, we have the videos on our YouTube channel if you need help with that. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If you come in that very last row right here from left to right, the last row, you see that metal fuse right here guys, okay, that's fuse number 48, okay, that's a circuit breaker fuse, 30 fuse, that's the one guys, okay, that you will need to check if you have a problem with the rear window that doesn't work and you need to find the rear window fuse on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.